Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, and today we're in the streets of Nairobi and we're going to be asking Kenyans between the country Uganda and Rwanda, where would they prefer to live and work?
Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to our channel. You can also leave a comment down below so that you can let us know what you think about this episode. Remember, you can join our live subscriptions and
also you can join our channel membership. Please support us by sending super thanks and we'll appreciate very much. Come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Jackie.
Jackie.
Yeah.
All right, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yes, I do.
What do you know them for? Or what have you heard about them?
Beginning with Uganda, our neighbor. I love Uganda so much. The women are so patient with their husbands. They're so courteous. Like they bow to their husbands. They tell their husbands, "May I bring you food?" I love that so much. And also their food, matoke. Oh my God. My mom cooks at matoke, but I've heard more about Uganda. I'd like to try that.
Okay.
And then their president, Museveni, is a nice guy. He leads well. Yes, and how they dress, you know, and their accent. I can't.
Yeah.
Their accent is very awesome. I can't try right now, but when I'll go and learn more about them. I love them so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Rwanda?
Rwanda, their development. They have so much developed their infrastructure. The roads are clean. People are clean. People are very wonderful. And what else do I love about Rwanda?
Okay.
So many things, man. Their flag is awesome.
Right.
I can't say your flag is so good.
Okay, so between these countries, Uganda and Rwanda, if you're asked to live and work, which country would you prefer to live in and work in?
I'd prefer both. I'd prefer Rwanda. I'd prefer to work in Rwanda and also to live in Rwanda. Not that I don't like Uganda, but I love Rwanda.
They are so close to us. You want to experience something different.
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're given the opportunity to marry from Uganda or from Rwanda, which man would you pick?
I'd pick Rwanda.
Rwanda. That makes sense because you'll be living there and working there. But is there a reason?
For Rwanda? Yes, Rwandan men look good.
Yeah.
They look good. Yeah, they look good.
All right.
And in working, the infrastructure is good. The economy is awesome. So I'd like to try that too.
Okay. Yeah. And if you're given a chance to say, let's start with Uganda, to visit Uganda, is this something you'd consider?
Yes, I'd consider. I like tourism. I'd say tourism and traveling. I'd consider.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you look forward to? Let's say you're landing in Uganda right now. What is that one thing you're looking forward to seeing or experiencing?
Matoke. Yeah, matoke. Okay. I'd look for a restaurant and first take matoke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, your name. Did you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Jackie. You can follow me guys in TikTok. I'm Jackie Cream4. Okay. Instagram at Jackie_creamy.
Right. So thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
I'm Evans.
Evans.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Uganda and Rwanda?
Yeah, I know Uganda.
What do you know them for, or what have you heard about them?
When I hear about Uganda, a lot of things come to my mind. The first thing that comes to my mind is the Ugandan Rolex. See?
Okay.
The food, the Rolex, chapati, and the eggs in the inside.
All right.
I really love Uganda's food. Apart from the Rolex, they cook their meals like traditionally. You know, here in Kenya we cook foods like how do I put it? Like. Not
For
really.
the sake of eating.
Not really. The modern way. When you go to Uganda, in Kenya, when you have a sufuria, you have something to cover the sufuria if you want the food like to boil. But in Uganda, there are these two leaves, banana leaves that they put, and the foods look like really traditional. So Ugandans watching, man, I love Uganda's food. And the other thing that comes to my mind when I talk about Uganda is motorcycles.
Okay.
There are motorcycles all over Kampala. You know, in Nairobi here we have motorcycles, but the most vibrant thing in terms of transport in Nairobi, Kenya, is the matatus. You can see them all over even right now. Matatus is the main means of transport. But in Uganda, there are lots of motorcycles. Yeah. So Uganda food, motorcycles. Yeah.
Is there anything else?
The accent.
Okay.
You see, when you watch an American movie, most of the time when they want to emulate the African voice, they tend to use certain accents. And the Ugandan accent sounds African, you know. Yeah, there's a lot with how they speak. Yeah.
All right. And what about Rwanda? What do you know, or what have you heard about Rwanda?
For Rwanda, the most obvious thing, Rwanda's Kigali is the most cleanest city in Africa, you know. I'm ashamed to say that because I love my city, Nairobi, but Uganda has a really nice Kigali specifically. Kigali is so clean. When you look at the internet, everything about Kigali is clean. You saw Modemaya's video that went viral, him eating in a gutter. You rarely see such things in Africa. So Kigali is so clean, and Kigali is slowly rising to be one of the most beautiful cities in Africa because the vegetation in the city and the clean roads just makes Kigali stand out. And anything else about Rwanda that I know is probably their president, Kagame. He's so vocal and soft spoken when it comes to issues with the West trying to manipulate Africa, you know, capitalism, neo-colonialism. Yeah, he's against that, and that's what I know about Rwanda.
All right.
Yeah.
So coming to the main question of the day, if you're given the opportunity to live and work between these two countries, Uganda or Rwanda, which country would you prefer?
Oh, you're putting me on a spot.
I know.
You're putting me on a spot, and it's a difficult question, honestly. But they are both nice countries. Let me start that way because, first of all, I love Africa, and Rwanda is a really nice country. Uganda is as nice. I'd go to Uganda because of their food. I'd go to Rwanda because I like clean environments, you know.
Yeah.
So it's a difficult one, but I think I can settle with Rwanda because Rwanda gives me a different vibe that I do not have here in Kenya. The vibe of how do I put it? It's I like cities, you know, and I like Kigali. Nairobi is big, more than Kigali, but I think it can offer something different that I'm not seeing here in Kenya. But for Rwanda, for Uganda, I'm used to craziness in the cities, you know. Nairobi is so big. There is the Nairobi downtown. People are always crowded during the weekday. I run errands around. I can walk in between people, you know. So for Rwanda, I'd really want to try. I'd really want to go to Rwanda because it's giving a whole different vibe from the normal Uganda, Kenya stuff. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
One more question. If you're given an opportunity to marry from Uganda or Rwanda, who would you pick?
That's Rwanda.
Rwanda.
Yeah, Rwanda has beautiful ladies. I've seen Rwandese ladies most of the time. Rwandese ladies work here in Kenya as in the spas, in the barber shops, and they are doing a really nice work. When you go to the barber shop, you can easily tell a Rwandese girl to a Kenyan girl. They are, in a way, they are beautiful. I'm not trying to say that we do not have beautiful ladies in Kenya, but you know, Rwanda has a different thing that I've not seen here in Kenya.
Right.
There's a whole different aspect in beauty that comes from Rwanda. Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.